58, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go.
He's pissed. Okay, so this is the top piece here. And you can see there's a crack. And there's the entire length. Starting from here. Actually, it looks like somebody saw it and they put a mark on it. So this is probably a known issue.
Okay, see this crack? Okay. So I don't even touch anything. You can see them.
Okay.
So once
So
we
we
get
see
them
like
out,
a
then
mended
we keep
crack.
seeing more.
Okay.
Then I'll keep recording the stuff. Okay.
Picasso color pattern.
Huh?
And the inside support is Picasso color pattern. Okay.
Okay. Anyway, we'll have to clean it up.
So large tiles for the back, wrong size. This measures out at 76 here. So what we're gonna have to do is cut this. I mean, think about it for a second. If this is the open end and you polish all the sides, is that supposed to be one big cantilever that just goes out with like nothing on both sides? It doesn't even make sense. We're gonna have to cut this all the way to the end. Hopefully it doesn't crack. Put this on and polish this. We have to do that for both of them, and then cut out the sink tops. And then we still don't even have the backsplash. And there's more. So the side's finished for the countertop. There's no cutout for the sink, which we requested, and this side's not finished, as if it goes against the wall. But in none of the pictures it shows it goes against the wall. So now we got to figure this out because we've got a hole here. The same with this one. The shorter one also. Not finished on one side. No cutout for the sink. Finished on one side. This just gets better.